Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Then enter your graphic card model number random RX 1600XT Eagle 12G and then hit enter. And then click on the product and then click on name of the graphic card. And then click on support. And then select the operating system Windows 7, 10, 11. So all operating system installations process same AMD driver, and this is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. It will take some time and depend about your internet speed. After the completed, then click on three dot and then click on download. Then it is completed, then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that, this one, right click and run as administrator, otherwise show more and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that, this is installing. It will take some time and it is completed all driver. Then restart your system. Then